So, do you like to join a Telegram private channel without an actual invite linked? So, if you find, for example, the name of a private Telegram group or the channel, but when you search it for it, nothing comes up. Well, that's because the private channels don't show up into the global search. So I'm going to show you the 3 ways of how bypass the invite link. So first of all is the global directory. Most private channels aren't into the private element, so they just wanted to avoid Telegram's internal search. We can use external directories like the GG stat or telemetry, which usually appears into like this, the GG stat. These sites can track the statistics of millions of channels. So you wanted to search for the channel that appears directly inside here. For example, let's say that I go from a channel here from Russia. I select it, and here are tons of channels that you can try them out. Here you can go from the catalog, here you go for the search for the channel, and once you click into one of them, if you think that this one is not appearing, in my case, for example, like private, you can just look out for the option that says join directly inside here. So often the administrator will have a public preview group, so what you can do is to just join the public group. Often reveals a pinned message with the entry link for the private one, and you can view this directly inside from Telegram, which is much more faster to get access to it. Now the second method, for example, is that there are some aggregator bots. These are massive databases where users submit invite links they have found. So you type the niche or the name, and the bot spits out all the known invite links. Now a little bit of a warning here. Be careful here, because some links lead to scam channels. Always look for the verified blue check mark that usually appears directly inside there. Now you want to look into the bio of the owner's public profile, and the administrator often uses like a Linktree style URL to the profile that contains the invite to the actual private alpha group. I don't recommend this. I might be recommended like the common member, because this is the social engineer where if you know someone into the channel, you can see your common groups into the profile. The administrator has enabled, for example, the element that says members can add others. Your friend can add you directly without an invite link, which I think is going to be really, really awesome. Now, nowadays, for example, some channels allow a request to join without a link. If you find the channel username, which in my case I found it, even if it's private, you can sometimes hit a request access button that sends a notification to the actual administrator element. Now, something I can tell you is to never ever pay a random person on the internet for an invite link to a private channel, because most of the time this will be the actual spam. So as you can see, we are now inside this mesh element Telegram, which is, for example, only for I believe something about the news went into Russia. I think it's not that important, but I think it actually works really, really great. Now, administrators can revoke the links at any time, so even though you are inside the channel, doesn't mean that it will be letting you inside for a long time. So privacy is the point of this channel, so you can get in. The administrators likely wants that way. If you are finally gaining access, you want to keep your account safe, watch the next video that we currently have about how to secure your Telegram from hackers nowadays. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you next time.